Bantamweight division matchup. Well, she's about as well-rounded as it gets, DC, and I know you didn't have the benefit of starting as a striker back in the day. First day she stepped in a gym, she was mixing all the different disciplines, and the results certainly speak to that commitment and dedication.
It showed in her ability to fight high-level competition right away. She does not need fights to build her up. She's prepared to fight the wrestler. She's prepared to fight the grappler. She's prepared to play kickboxing match with the best kickboxer. Her life has prepared her for these moments. All the training, all the sessions, all the private sessions has made her ready to compete for a title right away.
Yeah, I would agree, and at least the early returns are that she looks comfortable and confident in every discipline and every martial arts situation. Well, she's one of the more exciting fighters in this or any division, and really came into the UFC with some legitimate striking credentials, and she's put those to good use in the division.
And that's why everybody was so excited about her UFC debut. They understood that they were about to witness something truly special. A striker, a fighter with an ability to finish fights with her legs, with her hands, with her elbows, with her knees. There was nothing, no tool at her disposal that she would not use. She was going to use everything given to her, and she has done that. And that's why her performances have been so great in the UFC.
Yeah, she does not discriminate. She is a true, tried and tested 8-point striker. She's trying to put on a striking clinic here tonight. could take this fight to the ground, that her opponent was going to be in trouble. So the takedown comes early, and so does the submission win. You know she's got great instincts when it comes to finishing fights. Once she gets them to the canvas, safe to say mission accomplished for her here tonight. So there she is, your winner by way of submission. A huge result for her here tonight. And you got to think that'll mute some of the naysayers she had coming in. Oh, there she is. A lot of people felt like this fight was destined to go the distance. She had other ideas.
She said that if this fight went to the ground, it did not matter how good her opponent.
All right, coming up next, it's a UFC Women's Bantamweight Division matchup. All right, so here we go with round one of this highly anticipated affair. And well-rounded doesn't even begin to describe it. Both women have every skill in the book.
Both of them have every skill in the book. They're so talented. They train so hard. They come from great camp. This is a very even match.
Timing her shots nicely here tonight, DC.
She's doing a great job. But not only is she active, she is so accurate. She's on point tonight. Nice punch land over the top. Powerful leg kick land.
All right, early round one. She's got a huge reach advantage and a beautiful jab to back it up.
Oh, a fantastic jab, great kicks, just a knowledge of range and distance. She was born with the length, but she has learned.
Oh! Huge right hand! Oh, big knee! Ooh, she might be in trouble now. Huge diving punch to the head. And that's gonna do it. Bruce Buffer now with the official decision. Well, there she is, and you can be sure there's going to be a long line at the after party tonight after what she was able to accomplish.
I mean, she will be as popular tonight.
It is a women's bantamweight matchup between Alexa Grasso and Alexis Davis. We're ready to go with round one here. Oh, and she connects there. Ooh. Another elbow cuts through.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad
big
that
elbow.
my thoughts get so bad in life. I might grab a bat, I don't know. My rap, my blood boils over.
Man, her striking looks
Oh
clean
God,
tonight.
here
Timing on
goes. I
her.
lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go. So just stay
She's in
tuned
a
for the
good
rest of the show.
There she goes using her jab effectively yet again. Oh!
Enough is enough. I'll take a face full blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
Great job finding that kill shot.
Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back.
Coming up next, it's a
I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And then you gon' wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning
the
back.
good old days of Pride, the UFC, Grand Prix, single night tournament.
And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
Around the world. And remember, if you sustain damage, that could affect you later on in this one-night tournament. DC, for my money, she's really timing her shots. Whoa! While her opponent is squirming, and this might be the beginning of the end, the ground and pound strikes continue to land at will.
Landing it over and over again. She needs to make sure that when she's chasing the finish, she doesn't get excited and lose the position.
Well, she's able to connect on the punch there, DC, really making good use of her reach advantage. Oh! Huge right hand!
She is such a diverse striker that big strike landed, and it looks like she's gonna finish the fight.
All right, she postures up here, DC. We'll see if she can get those ground strikes.
Watch for the huge elbows that she's known for. Oh! An attacking armbar. Oh!
And this might just be a matter of time. And there it is!
Unbelievable!
Yeah, really nice job by her there to execute the submission. Clearly she had an opening and she closed the show pretty effectively there. That is one of the bigger wins of her UFC career. So there she is, your winner by submission, and there will be no wiping the smile off her face tonight as she turns in one of the bigger highlights of her UFC career.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll go show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind the fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can take them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last. And to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Some body shots. Oh, she lands the punch there. Really using her reach advantage in this one.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
She will live to fight another
so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
All right, so here we go with round one. We're expecting a lot of action and really to see both women challenged in all phases.
Been through a lot of things. Some things are
All
not
right, here we
the
go, early
same
round one. Her
as
opponent
they
figures to
were
have a
a
hard
year
time
ago.
getting inside tonight. Extended
All
reach.
be okay.
Yeah, absolutely. And
I
not only
move
does
on
she
each
have
and every
everything, she
day.
has an ability
The
to know
past
how
is
to
where
use
it
it. She
stays.
understands
Way back
her
a year
advantages,
ago.
and she makes sure to fight to those tendencies.
I've changed
If
for
your
the
opponent has
better
inclinations,
this
pulling down
time.
on your head, landing one.
I thought I would never
Can
be
survive unlike
fine.
Oh yeah, man, it's very difficult.
I
to take a
strive
fight
just
like that
to
and
say
still keep
I'm
the fight. I can't
alright.
believe she's still standing.
And
but
for
it
the
looks like it's
first
very close to
time in
the
a
end.
long time,
beautiful
I'm
combination there from
alright.
Zhang Weili. She's throwing
And
it.
I've changed.
There she goes, man, in that jab again. She might not.
Things are not the same
Can't take pictures now.
as they were
She has
a
to
year
back.
ago.
She has to go chase the finish.
All will be okay. I move on each and every day.
Well, she was long on grappling experience coming into the UFC, and you see her chops here. Just beautiful when it
Attacking on guard. There it is. It's in there deep. There you go.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I will choose what's right and take what
Yeah,
comes
no
and
doubt
goes.
about it.
And
That
ain't
is
no
some
one in life
opportunistic
holding me
grappling
back
right
no
there, and
more.
nice finishing instincts as well. You see a lot of fighters get the dominant position, but aren't necessarily able to lock up the choke and push the tap. No problem with her as she gets one of the bigger wins of her UFC career.
But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
All right, let's go inside the octagon now to this one. Well, how about this young woman as the celebration is on? She sat down in our fighter meeting and she told us, to a man, to a woman, I'm going to submit her at some point in this fight, and that's exactly how she gets it done.
That's exactly how she got it done. She knew where the fight needed to be. And the moment she
back
got
a
the
year
chance, the
ago.
moment she got the submission locked in, she latched on that thing like you wouldn't believe it because she knew it was her chance. This is my moment to get my result. She did exactly that, got the submission win, and on to the next one.
It is a women's bantamweight showdown between Joanna Jędrzejczyk and Cris Cyborg. Right back at the O2 Arena here in London, England, and man, are you royalty around these points. I mean, you can barely get rid of the octagon tonight.
Oh, stop, John.
martial arts than these type of transitions and scrambles on the ground.
High-level grappling can really be entertaining.
How good is her movement here on the ground, right? Shades of Ray Borg, just transitioning so beautiful.
Yeah, she's so good at transitions and movement.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this
We're getting a finish
demon.
here.
Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my
tighter.
face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. Time stands still. Need to move on to be what I want. Keep dreaming on. Time stays strong. Need to move on to be what I want. Keep dreaming on.
And so does the submission win. So she's got great instincts when it comes to finishing fights. Once she gets them to the canvas, safe to say mission accomplished for her here tonight.
I wanna be someone. I wanna be great. I'm gonna be someone. It's never too late. Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come down with none. I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time stands strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time stands strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
It is a bantamweight matchup between Claudia Gadelha and Miesha Tate.
I wanna be someone. I wanna be great. I'm gonna be someone. It's never too late.
This round doesn't even begin to describe it. Both of them have every skill.
Both of them have every skill in the book. They're so talented. They train so hard. They come from great camp. This is a very even match.
Stuffs the takedown, no problem. Tate gets touched by that kick right to the body there. Nicely done by the opponent. Well, clearly she wanted to get this fight to the ground to try to fatigue the striker early. Mission accomplished so far.
Mission accomplished. Even her team couldn't have imagined that it would work so early in the fight. Great timing on that takedown.
Oh, Gadelha's back in full guard. Oh, keep it busy here off of her back. Nice offense from the bottom. Tate's looking for that arm triangle.
Watch triangle, watch triangle.
Oh, we're getting a finish here. And this might just be a matter of time. And there it is!
It's over. It's over.
Well, no doubt it was quick, and you knew if she could take this fight to the ground, that her opponent was going to be in trouble. So the takedown comes early, and so does the submission win. You know she's got great instincts when it comes to finishing fights. Once she gets them to the canvas, safe to say mission accomplished for her here tonight. The official decision, it resides with Bruce Buffer. Sure her striking has ever looked better, DC, finding the range with relative ease.
She's doing a great job of timing everything. She is seeing everything out there. Oh! She is such a diverse striker that big strike landed, and it looks like she's going to finish the fight.
Now, quick entry.
Great single entry. She's the high crunch.
Great movement by her here on the ground, and she just does it so fluidly and so easily. It's really a sight to behold.
You can tell that she's spent a lifetime developing the skill with the way that she's able to move with so little effort on the mat.
3 minutes to go. Oh, nice job by her there. You see how strong she is. Her opponent's trying to control posture. Unable to do so.
Now she can get to work and put the money in the bank in that round.
Money in the bank. Well, she did not miss a single grappling practice during this training camp, and here's your evidence. Outstanding football.
She looks like a master of grappling.
Here's what the arm triangle now. Nicely done.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you
Man,
first.
she is just
I write a second,
nonstop on
third
the ground,
verse
moving
about the lies you
in
go
all the right
disperse. You
directions.
never did,
Another nice
I know it
transition
hurts.
by her.
Moving a lot. Every movement has room.
I swear that I'm inspired by all this.
Straight punch land.
She's really using her reach advantage to great effect here tonight. Lands the punch. Battle for position here. Oh, she landed a big knee to the body. Round 2 winding down. All right, so she's making her way back to the stool, kind of shaking her head. Thought maybe that knockdown would have produced a finish. Not so much.
She's a little discouraged.
Round 2 is underway. Throws the punch there and connects. Nice job by her there.
Nice job. Nice punch.
Well, she's really put it all together on the feet. DC staying busy and certainly staying active.
She's known for her hands, and this is why.
Stuffs the takedown shot there. How good is her takedown? Looking for a guillotine.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind,
Oh, now it's
pick a
getting
lane,
tight.
commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, punch hand to the mat, put me in the ring, we'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the nightlife, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I got the right there, no life shit, so I wanna live.
She had an opening and she was able to show pretty effectively there. That is one of the bigger wins of her UFC career.
How's it supposed to feel?
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right, this fuel got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.
Women's bantamweight tilt between Alexis Davis and Betch Kohei.
How's it supposed to feel?
How's it supposed to feel?
Watching UFC is back in the O2 Arena here in London, England. Beverages all over the place. We're going to put out this crowd today as usual.
So a lot of times you sit next to the octagon, and because you wear these headphones, you can barely hear. When you come to London, headphones or not, you already know that these people
The ground and pound is downright scary in constant pursuit of the finish. I get it.
she does a really good job of throwing punches to the pin. She never just throws just to be thrown. Every punch is meant to land. Every punch is meant to start a finish.
Well, she's got a good jab, missed with it there.
Nice looping punch.
Well, she lands the punch there. It's one thing to have an edge in reach. It's another thing to take advantage. Nicely done by her there. Oh, nice combination there by the Brazilian Betch Kohei. Half guard position for her here and for the bottom fighter. This is truly a case of pick your poison.
Yeah, you gotta pick your poison. And if you're on the bottom, you gotta be trying to find a way to escape that bottom leg. You cannot allow your opponent, you cannot allow her to sit on your leg and just throw big damaging strikes. You've got to make sure you're on it.
Davis is looking for that arm triangle.
Oh man, that was slick.
Well, she was long on grappling experience coming into the UFC, and you see her chops here, just beautiful when it comes to the transition.
It's very difficult to keep up with her on the ground.
Well, working pretty effectively from the top here. Nice ground and pound by Alexis Davis. Oh, that's a beautiful escape and reversal by her there.
Unbelievable sweep. She did a fantastic job of manipulating the weight to change the position.
Well, there are few things more fun to watch in mixed martial arts than these type of transitions and scrambles on the ground.
High-level grappling can really be entertaining.
How good is her movement here on the ground, right? Shades of Ray Borg, just transitioning so beautiful.
Yeah, she's so good at transitions and movement. Her ability is unmatched.
Great movement by her here on the ground, and she just does it so fluidly and so easily. It's really a sight to behold.
You can tell that she spent a lifetime developing this skill with the way that she's able to move with so little effort on the mat.
Kohei is right back to the format. Let's see if she can settle the arm by the bell. Round over. And the finish came just in time. Thought maybe she might tap there, but you know how tough she is, so the submission attempt.
Big punch land.
Trying to double up on that jab. Good series of strikes by her there. She is staying wicked busy.
Very busy, but also super accurate. She is on point.
Ooh, uppercut lands. We'll see where she goes from here now. Beautiful knees. get the dominant position, but aren't necessarily able to lock up the choke and force the tap. No problem with her as she gets one of the bigger wins of her UFC career. Here's Bruce Buffer with the official decision. Coming up next, it's a UFC Women's Bantamweight Division match. Advantage there with that punch, DC. Oh, how is she standing? Brutal knee to the body.
Oh, big elbow.
And they separate.
Losing control, I gotta know. Losing control, me. Losing control, I'm gonna explode. Can you bring it back to me? Bring it back to me, please. It's the only thing I need. I can deal with this
Masterclass in
all
Chunks attempting a rear naked choke now.
Now it's starting to slip under the neck.
Oh, we're getting a finish here. And this might just be a matter of time. And there it is! Yeah, really nice job by her there to execute the submission. Clearly she had an opening and she closed the show pretty effectively there. That is one of the bigger wins of her UFC career. All right, now we go inside the octagon. Bruce Buffer you gotta stay busy from the bottom position. Can't falter here. She's doing a nice job. Looks like she's trying to set up
I
herself
don't
here.
ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do is so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you shouldn't
Yeah,
be
no doubt about it. That is some opportunistic
facts
grappling
over
right
facts
there. A
over
nice
tracks,
finishing
that's
instinct as
slow,
well. You see a
speaking
lot of
fast,
fighters
Uncle
get the
Rose back
dominant
and gas,
position,
think I'm
but
all
aren't
in last, but I
necessarily
don't
able to
know
lock
if
up
that
the
can
choke and
erase
force
all
the
the
tap.
past and the
No problem
pettiness.
with her as she gets
Reflection
one
of the
big win
emptiness,
so
hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got. It was built to last. Yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Think you're irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been
Sold out every single time.
I never got anyone's help.
Whether you fight
Do it all myself.
all Billy Holiday there.
I will never slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I will never slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
All right, we'll take a look back at some of the pictures from this one, and she had it all going on tonight, but certainly her boxing was on point.
Her boxing always is what allows her to dictate the pace of fights. Finally, she landed this strike.
Don't wanna
that
sleep
ended the
in,
night of
cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know.
I mean,
Turn
she
that
will be as
to
popular
games like
tonight
my
as
money
she's
show.
ever been.
I've
Because no
got
one can
these
get that
things
knocked
that
out.
I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let
All right,
go.
coming up
Watch
next
me
is
turn
a
this
UFC
life into
Women's
something that you
Bantamweight
can never
division match.
own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these
they're
things
exchanging
that I
leather
can't let
early.
go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can
Man, her
never
striking looks
own.
Weili Zhang.
She's hurt very bad. She's escaped. What a performance!
Oh yeah, just a brutal elbow to close the show for her here tonight. You can be sure you're going to see that on the highlight shows later tonight. It's one thing to go to it periodically. It's another thing to have those elbows be a major cornerstone of your repertoire. She really knows how to maximize range and to be effective with those in close. And she absolutely devastated her opponent here tonight. Bruce Buffer has your official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, Beverly Hurricane is going to start this contest in about 2 minutes. For a second, for the very first round.
Well, there she is. This arena belongs to her here tonight. Hard-pressed to find a knockout in the women's game as stunning as that.
I mean, she has so much.
Coming up next, a matchup for the UFC Women's Bantamweight Division title. Well, what a splash the UFC makes every time we come to the United Kingdom. If you want to see the UFC live in London, then it might take 5 minutes of them going on sale inside.
You're going to be standing outside hoping to be inside the arena all the way back to UFC 75 champion versus champion. Rampage versus Dan Henderson. The UFC has won fights that have blown the roof off the O2 Arena.
Oh, nice job by her to land the straight punch yet again. You know she's got the reach advantage, and she is making sure it counts in this matchup tonight.
Oh, man.
Oh, she landed a huge knee to the head. Back to the knee. Oh, big knee.
Can't take pictures now. She has to react. She has to go chase the finish. Liver kick, if you take those kicks, it's going to shut your body off.
Oh, big left.
stayed in her lane